Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to handle dropdowns in Selenium. First, ensure you have Selenium Webdriver set up in your project. Dropdowns, often called select elements, are common on web pages. Selenium provides a dedicated select class to make interacting with these elements straightforward and efficient. Remember to import the org, OpenCA, Selenium, support, UI, select package to access its functionalities. Before you can interact with a dropdown, you need to locate it on the web page. You'll use the driver, find element, method, just like with any other web element. Good locators include the element's ID, its name attribute, or a robust XPath. Once found, store this element in a web element variable, which will then be used to instantiate the select class. With your dropdown web element located, the next step is to create an instance of the select class. You simply pass your located web element into the select class constructor. This new select object then gives you access to several powerful methods designed specifically for dropdowns. These methods allow you to choose options based on their visible text, their index, or their value attribute. Now, let's select an option. You can use select by visible text to choose an option based on what the user sees. Alternatively, select by index selects an option using its zero-based position in the list. Finally, select by value selects an option based on its HTML value attribute. Pick the method that best fits your testing scenario for reliable and robust automation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.